In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Voice. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication or just try out new technology, using voice commands can enhance your experience and boost your productivity. So let's dive in and see how you can easily set this up. First, you'll want to ensure you have Grok open on your device. If it's already installed, great, just launch the application as you normally would. If not, make sure to download and install it from a trusted source to get started. Once Grok is open, you're ready for the next step. Now, you'll want to start a new chat. Typically, you'll find an option to begin a fresh conversation right on the main screen or through a new chat button. This sets up the environment you'll use for your voice commands and prepares Grok to receive your input. Next, keep an eye out for a microphone icon or a voice mode option within the chat interface. This feature might be prominently displayed, or you might need to explore the settings or tools menu to discover it. Activating this will allow you to switch from typing your messages to speaking them, paving the way for a more dynamic interaction. Once you tap on the microphone icon or enable voice mode, the application will prompt you to grant microphone permissions. This is crucial because without access, Grok won't be able to hear your voice. Typically, a dialog box will appear asking for your consent. Approving this request is straightforward. Just click Allow or Yes, depending on the prompts shown on your screen. With the microphone permissions granted, you can now speak your prompt instead of typing. It's an exciting switch from the traditional method of input, and you'll likely find it intuitive and smooth. Speak naturally and clearly, just as if you were talking to another person. The system is designed to handle this voice input efficiently. Lastly, with your voice mode active, Grok will process your voice commands in real time. You'll notice that the application translates your spoken words into text almost instantly, and from there, it can execute commands, answer questions, or perform any number of tasks you require. It's fascinating to see how quickly and accurately it responds, saving you the effort of typing and allowing you to multitask more effectively. And that's it. You've learned how to activate and use voice mode in Grok. Practice a few times, and soon enough, it will become second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and happy chatting.